Good morning, scholarites. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, as you know, we are in the chapter Forest in India. So, today we are going to discuss about the two questions of forest in India. So, let's start with it. Question number 1. Why are forests important for us? Give at least 4 points to support your answer. Now, why the forests are important for us? Answer: forests are important to us as they give us different kinds of product. Forests give us different kinds of product. Number 1, they provide us with timber which is used to build houses, furniture, etc. Now, what do you mean by timber? It's a wood which is prepared for the use of, we can say, like building, carpentry, furniture, okay, like to build houses. Now, next point. They provide us with firewood used for cooking and heating water. Now, forests provide us firewood. We get the wood from the forest which is used for fire, we can say firework, for cooking and for heating water. Next, they provide us with medicinal plants which helps in curing many diseases. Forest also provide us with medicinal plants. Okay, so there are many medicinal plants also available in the forest which is help in curing the many diseases. Next point. They also provide us with bamboos, honey, rubber, gum, oil, etc. So, these were the 4 points which we discussed about why forests are important for us. Now, question number 2. Why do you think forest conservation is important? Now, forest conservation, why it is important? Now, let us see with the answer. Forest conservation is important because, number 1, it saves the wildlife and natural habitat. Okay, so forest conservation, it saves the wildlife and natural habitat. Now, what do you mean by natural habitat? It's an environmental area, we can say. Okay, it is a place where the, like, we can say, like plants, animal and various other organisms, they live, or they call it as a home. Next point, it saves the environment from degradation. Forest conservation also save our environment from degradation. Now, degradation, like example, we can say like deforestation, like cutting down of trees. Okay, so forest conservation helps, or it saves the environment from degradation. It gives access to resources we get from the forest. As we know, we get different resources from the forest. So, it gave access to the resources which we get from the forest. Next point, it protect our planet and support life. Okay, so forest conservation also protects our planet and it supports our life. So, this were about the 2 questions of the chapter Forest in India. Hope so you understood with the answers. Now, scholarites, note down these answers in your books. Thank you, students.